friends, it's Megan Elizabeth, and you can find me over at bymeganelizabeth.com. And we're doing another 12 days of giveaways videos, so that means you got to head over to the blog at bymeganelizabeth.com and enter every single day. We are going to do a canvas. It's super cute. We're going to use our canvas banner that's available through the Chalk Couture link at bymeganelizabeth. But we're going to also use this It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year transfer. This is a C-size transfer. I love it. This is a great banner to really switch out through the holiday seasons and every occasion possible. So when you get this banner home, you can see we already have this: you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and more loved than you know. That's a Winnie the Pooh A.A. Milne quote. But this is in a wooden magnetic little frame closure. Okay, you are able to literally ink or chalk on both sides of this if you wanted to. You can see through a little bit with the black, but I'm going to just set this aside for when we're ready to use it. I'm just going to roll it up, and this is going to go in a drawer with my other napkins and like table linens and things like that. So I picked up a pack of the banner refills, so you don't have to buy multiple wooden magnetic frame closures. You can just buy the refills, and the refills are really inexpensive, like way cheaper than if you were to go to a place and you get 2 of them in 1 pack. All right, so we're just going to do 1 today. I'm going to set this other one aside to ink on another day, or chalk. You could use the chalk inks or the chalk paste. I should pull out my Rowenta and totally steam this and get the wrinkles out. I'm going to do that. Okay, so literally in 40 seconds time, I heated up my Rowenta and pressed it out a little bit. I didn't like go crazy, just got those initial wrinkles out. All right, so we're going to do the same thing that we've been doing all 12 days long. This one we're not going to cut apart. We're going to do 1 simple color and really just enjoy the beauty of it on this banner. I am going to mark that it's the back. I'm just going to put Wonderful Year. Doesn't have to be the whole thing. It's pretty straightforward what this one is. And because we're doing it on canvas, I'm not going to fuzz it first. Fuzzing usually refers to putting it on a towel or on a t-shirt. When you're doing it on a non-porous surface, glass, ceramic, chalkboards, whiteboards, you definitely want to put it down on something that has some lint or fuzz to it before you put it on your surface. I'm going to go kind of in the center here. And I'm going to use Garden Herb. I love the color Garden Herb. I am using the washable. It will probably stain on here. Not too concerned about it because these refills are so inexpensive that I can buy multiple refills and really just enjoy that. Garden Herb is a beautiful garden green color. I'm going to just get a scoop on here, and we're going to fill up the entire mesh screen transfer, all the little holes here, with this paste. We're going to work pretty quickly because if the paste dries on top of the transfer, it will peel up with the transfer and you won't have as crisp of an image, but you're going to get clean, crisp, professional results every time. Excess will go right back into the container, so you can see there's really no waste as I'm squeegeeing it down across. This is just our small squeegee. You could use our large handle squeegee or our angled squeegee. Just removing that excess as we go down. Doesn't have to be perfect. And you can be making these handmade gifts all year long, which is perfect because not only for the upcoming this holiday season, but for weddings, for bridal showers, for baby showers, for birthdays, for Mother's Day, Father's Day. There's nothing better than a handmade gift. And Chalk Couture makes this the easiest process ever. We have openings right now to become a designer with us. You get over $250 worth of goodies for only $99. And you get to become part of Club Couture and the She Chalks Stepping Stone Decor family. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And here we go. We're just going to remove it. You're going to see beautiful, amazing, clean, crisp results just like that. We're gonna wash this transfer off with warm water, wipe it off with a disinfectant wipe, and dry it sticky side up. Any place that it didn't quite stick the way you wanted it to, you can touch up with a Q-tip or a paintbrush. With Chalk Couture, you don't need to have a die cutting machine. You don't need to have fancy, amazing handwriting or painting skills. You just need to have a few minutes time to go in with a transfer. Love this because with Chalk Couture, you absolutely have amazing results almost every single time. You literally take your transfer, you place it, you paste it, you peel it up, and you have darn near perfection every time. And you are good to go. Again, all the links are in the descriptions of these videos. You can visit bymeganelizabeth.com and click on Join Chalk Couture or Shop Chalk Couture. I'm going to just place the magnetic wooden frames on each side. These are super strong magnets. I love them. You can go all the way down to the edge or in the middle, however you want to frame it out. These banners are really perfect for our C-size transfers, in my opinion. So I'm going to go really near the bottom here. Place it down, tighten it up, and then there's holes that you can either hang it or you can string twine through. It does come with the twine. I've been just hanging it directly on the wall from these little notches here. It works for us, but you can hang it from the twine as well, and then you can really have some fun and different results with it. So here we go, right on the top of the, I'm going to smooth that out a little more. We'll go all the way to the top. Just a little bit of that canvas hangs out. How beautiful is that? And it's dry and it's ready to go for the entire holiday season. Guys, thanks so much for joining me for this 12 days of giveaways at bymeganelizabeth.com 2018. It's so fun. I'm so thankful, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.